In today's video, we will explore this unique structure, the Flint RiverQuarium. This amazing architectural marvel surrounds an open-air, 175-gallon tank display of a natural spring. The Flint RiverQuarium is located on the banks of the Flint River. The river flows from south of Atlanta to the Gulf of Mexico. The RiverQuarium is part of the Riverfront Park. Here, you will also find this unique play area. It is known as Turtle Grove Park. Kids can climb on this friendly alligator and this humongous turtle. Well, maybe adults can climb on them too. Beside the Turtle Grove Park is the Bridge House. The Bridge House was built in 1857 by Colonel Nelson Tift, who was the founder of Albany. The archway where the Welcome Center sign is located was the entrance to a bridge that also in 1857 was built by a freed slave named Horace King. The bridge keeper's quarters and Colonel Tift's office were on the first floor. The second floor was a theater. Behind the bridge house is a memorial to Horace King. This structure shows where the old toll bridge once extended over the river. You can still see some of the remnants of the old bridge in the Flint River when the water is low.
I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danivator, where my experiences become your adventure. Make sure you please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next adventure. So let's go explore the Flint RiverQuarium.
The city of Albany apparently embraces these turtle statues. I see them all over town. My admission day cost me $9. After I purchased my ticket, I noticed this fish tank. This starfish was waving at us, and this crab seemed a little shy. In the gift shop, I found these RiverQuarium t-shirts, and on this one is the RiverQuarium star attraction, Moonshine, the albino alligator. In the gift shop, watch out for that Gila monster Godzilla. And we notice you two over in the corner. Also in the lobby is this whale skull. There is an elevator access by the ticket counter. But we're going to take the stairs to start our adventure. This is looking out at the 175-gallon exhibit known as the Blue Hole Spring. Creek Indians gave the name Skywater to these sky blue springs that flow out within the earth. We can barely see Moonshine, who is the albino alligator in this adjacent exhibit. Hopefully, we can get a good view of him near the end of our journey. Located just off of the Skywater exhibit room is this conference room that you can rent for special occasions. The elevator is located right around the corner, and there's also this access to the outdoor observation deck. Architect Antoine Predock was inspired by Blakely, Georgia's Kolomoki Mounds in designing of the Flint RiverQuarium. The observation deck will allow you to get a picturesque bird's eye view of the waterfall. Now we're going to walk down this dark corridor to our next exhibit. The Flint River Gallery tells the story of the different aquatic environments that make up the river's journey. As the river flows out of Georgia into Florida, it joins Lake Seminole. From there, it continues to the Gulf of Mexico through the Apalachicola River. Also in the gallery, there was a tiger salamander, some Appalachia shiners, an eastern box turtle, and this rattlesnake. But the display I liked the most was the Blue Hole Spring. It had an outside viewing area. This area contains a lot of small fish tanks. The sign says it's the Discovery Hatchery, so I would assume that some of the fish and reptiles raised here are for the RiverQuarium. The oddest creature that I've seen so far at the RiverQuarium is this lionfish. On my way out of the Discovery Slough, this tank display caught my eye. We are looking down into the blue hole underwater world. Blue holes are typically deep underwater sinkholes caused by the erosion of limestone. Pictured here is Paul DeLuche. He is a professional underwater cave diver. This rampway compares the journey that an underwater diver experiences as they explore the blue hole. The blue hole depicted at the RiverQuarium, in my opinion, is based on the largest natural spring located nearby at Radium Springs Garden. Paul DeLuche explored the underground cave system at Radium Springs. This blue hole exhibit is one of the most popular displays. Kids' Cavern of Discovery. A fun activity for children. They can burn a lot of energy climbing through these winding passages. I found this river table to be interesting. It allows you to see how the flow of water over time creates a stream, creek, or river. The World of Water exhibit shows examples of fish from some of the most famous rivers from around the world. Through these doors is the bird Aviary. Just past the entrance of the aviary, I noticed this gopher turtle exhibit. But no one was home, except for this turtle made of stone. But I did find this mural of wildlife that can be found in southwest Georgia. And that hum you hear are the water pumps that support this great aquarium. I was only able to locate a few birds in the aviary. I'm going to give you a quick view of the aviary one more time, and then we're going to continue on our adventure. This ramp, which also includes the final exhibit, is known as Spring Run Creek. It is also the name of the creek that joins Radium Springs to the Flint River. You can't have a creek or a river without alligators and turtles. That is a common snapping turtle. I don't see no alligators. I found Moonshine tucked away in the corner. I decided to check back later to see if he would move. And coming back later pays off. That is the RiverQuarium star attraction, Moonshine the albino alligator. He should feel privileged to have a t-shirt with his image on it. If you're visiting the Flint RiverQuarium, there's one more thing that you have to make sure you do. As you exit where the turtle statue is, turn left and head toward the Flint River. There's a viewing platform that overlooks the river. The RiverQuarium, in my opinion, does an excellent job in telling the story of the Flint River.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today here at the Flint RiverQuarium. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all the next one.